Welcome grade 4th to your mathematics class. Dear students, good morning. I am Vikas. So children, today we will revise block 8, multiplying using lattice method. So children, before starting today's study, I hope you have revised block 8 from content book. So children, here to relate lesson 1, I have some questions for you. How do you make a table with 2 columns and 2 rows? And my second question is, how do you multiply a 2-digit number with a 2-digit number using the lattice method without regrouping? So children, to get these answers, watch next video.
From today we are going to start block 8 revision of lesson 1. So children, my first question was, how do we make a table with 2 columns and 2 rows? So now children, we can make a box and divide it into 2 parts, vertically and horizontally. So I am going to make a box. You can see. And I am going to divide it vertically and horizontally. And children, here you can see I am going to draw diagonal in each cell of S2. So this is first diagonal, now children, I am going to multiply 24 into 31. So first children, here I am going to write 2, 4, and here right side I am going to write 31. Children, here you can see, first we multiply 24 by 3. So 3 4s are 12. So here you can see 1, 2, 12. And 3 2s are 6. 0, 6. Now children, I am going to multiply 24 by 1. So 1 4s are 4. 0, 4. Now children, 1 2s are 2. So 0, 2. So here children, I am going to add. So first we start 4. So this is first. So 4, 2, 0, 2. We are going to add. So here will be 4. 0 plus 6 plus 1. So here will be 7. Here will be 0. So I am going to write top to bottom and left to right. So 0, 7, 4, 4. So our answer is 24 into 31 is equal 0744. 0744 means our answer is 744.
Children, I hope you have gotten all answers. Now children, this is lesson 2, multiplying 2-digit with 2-digit numbers with regrouping. So my question is, where do we write the multiplicand and the multiplier in the lattice? And second question, how do you multiply a 2-digit number with a 2-digit number using the lattice method regrouping? So now children, watch this video.
Lesson 2. I am going to multiply 78 into 56. So children, here my first question, where do we write multiplicand and multiplier? So children, this is our multiplicand. So multiplicand, we write multiplicand on the grid. So 7 and 8. Now children, multiplier. So this is 56. So 5, 6. Now children, I am going to multiply. So 5 8 ja 40. So 4, 0. 5 7 ja 35. 3, 5. Now children, 6 8 ja 48. And children, 6 7 ja 42. Now children, I am going to add. So here single 8. So I will write here 8. Now children, 2 plus 4 6. 6 plus 0 6. Now children, 4 plus 5 9. 9 plus 4 13. Children, here we will write 3 and carry 1. Here 3 plus 1 4. So our answer is 4 3 6 8. So 78 into 56 is equal 4 3 6 8, means 4368.
Now children, you can see questions on the screen. So questions are related. Lesson 3, multiplying 3 digit with 2 digit numbers without regrouping. So my question is, how many rows and columns will you draw in the lattice to multiply a 3 digit number with a 2 digit number? And second question, how do you multiply? So watch this video.
Lesson 3, block 8. Children, my first question, how many rows and columns will you draw in the lattice to multiply a 3 digit number with a 2 digit number? Children, here you can see this is multiplicand. How many digits? 3 digits. 1 3 5. So 3 columns. 1 3 5. And how many rows? 2 rows. This is first row, second row, means 42. 4 and 2. 4 5s are 20. 4 3s are 1 2 12. 4 1s are 4 0 4. Now children, from 2. So 2 5s are 10. 2 3s are 6 0 6. 2 1s are 2 0 2. Now I am going to add. Student, here this is single zero. So 0 6 plus 1 7. 7 plus 0 7. 2 plus 0 2. 0 plus 2 4. 4 plus 2 6. So here 6. 4 plus 1 5. 5 plus 0 5. Here will be 0. So our answer is 0 5 6 7 0. So 135 into 42 is equal 5 6 7 0, means 5670.
Now children, this is lesson 4, multiplying 3 digit with 2 digit numbers with regrouping. So my first question is, how is the lattice method different from the column method? And second question, how do you multiply? So watch next video to get answer.
Lesson 4, multiplying 3 digit number with 2 digit numbers with regrouping. So my first question is, how is lattice method different from the column method? So children, in column method we write number one below the other, but in lattice method we write number above the grid and right side of the grid. Here you can see it is multiplicand, so 8 6 8 on the grid, and 93, so 9 3 right side of the grid. Student, here you can see 9 8s are 72. 9 6 are 54. 9 8 are 72. Now children, from 3 8 are 24. 3 6 are 18 and 3 8 are 24. Now children, I am going to add. So here student, 4 8 plus 2 10, 10 plus 2 12. So carry, here are come 1 4 1 5 5 plus 4 9 9 plus 7 16 16 plus 1 17. So 7 carry 1. Student, 2 plus 2 4 4 plus 5 9 9 plus 1 10. So 0. Here carry 7 plus 1 8. So children, our answer is 80724. So when we multiply 868 into 93, so our answer is 80724, means 80,724.
So children, I hope you have understood block 8. Thank you.